Hi everyone, today we're going to be dealing with adverbs and prepositions. Some prepositions can also act as adverbs. To determine whether a word is an adverb or a preposition, look at what follows the word. Is there a noun acting as an object of the word? A preposition takes an object. If there is a noun following the term, it usually indicates the term is a preposition, not an adverb. Billy ran down the escalator. Ike looked out the car window. An adverb doesn't take an object. A single word acting as an adverb answers where, when, how, or to what degree about the verb. They usually appear at the end of the clause or sentence. She sat down. We're going out at 7 o'clock tonight. Phrasal verbs are a little trickier. In these cases, the adverb is defining or describing the verb, not the object. Derek looked up her number. Here, up is the adverb. The counselor called off the meeting. In this sentence, off is the adverb. In each of these cases, the adverb and the object can trade places. Derek looked up her number can also be read as Derek looked her number up, and the counselor called off the meeting can also be said as the counselor called the meeting off. In contrast, all prepositional verbs have direct objects. I don't like talking about religion. Who's looking after the baby? There are many native speakers who would not be able to easily explain the difference between a prepositional verb and a phrasal verb, and perhaps many more who wouldn't want to. The most important thing here is to understand the principal difference between an adverb and a preposition, and identify when to use each one appropriately. Here is a list of words that can be used both as prepositions and adverbs. So let's review what we've just looked at. Read through the sentences and decide whether the highlighted words are being used as prepositions or adverbs. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.